Set or clear a print area on a worksheet. If you print a specific selection on a worksheet frequently, you can define a print area that includes just that selection. A print area is one or more ranges of cells that you designate to print when you don't want to print the entire worksheet. When you print a worksheet after defining a print area, only the print area is printed. You can add cells to expand the print area as needed, and you can clear the print area to print the entire worksheet. A worksheet can have multiple print areas. Each print area will print as a separate page. Set one or more print areas. On the worksheet, select the cells that you want to define as the print area. On the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Print Area, and then click Set Print Area. Add cells to an existing print area. You can enlarge the print area by adding adjacent cells. If you add cells that aren't adjacent to the print area, Excel creates a new print area for those cells. On the worksheet, select the cells that you want to add to the existing print area. On the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Print Area, and then click Add to Print Area. Clear a print area. Click anywhere on the worksheet for which you want to clear the print area. On the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup group, click Clear Print Area.